Before operating any power equipment, be sure you are wearing safety glasses, hearing protection, and appropriate safety shoes. Clear the area of any debris and mark all obstacles. Be sure to clear the area of any pets or people, especially children. Prior to aerating, check the coring depth to make sure it meets your needs. You can check the coring depth with the aeration depth control located on the right side of the unit. The Lawnaire ZTS gives you the option of operating from the drop-down platform, or you can flip the platform up and operate the machine as a walk-behind unit. Before starting the engine, make sure that the parking brake is in the on position and the tines are disengaged. Close the choke by pulling it upwards and then start the unit by turning the ignition clockwise. When the engine has been started, it's important to open the choke by pushing it downwards towards the unit and switch the parking brake to the off position. Push the tine engagement switch down to engage the tines and push the control levers away from your body to move the unit forward. Be safe and enjoy operating the Lawnaire ZTS stand-on aerator.